I'd also like to do more solo riding this year. Whoa, we're really on the ice now. Hold on a second. I feel like I've actively avoided riding solo, you know, pretty much forever, just because of the what ifs. What if this happens? What if that happens? Then I sit down in my recliner and I flip on YouTube, and I see guys riding solo through the Darien Gap. I see women riding solo in the Middle East. And that kind of makes me feel like, man, they're pretty brave. Like, if they can go across the world solo and they're not, you know, stressing about it, then surely I can solo within a few hours of my house, you know? We are in the age of cell phones, so it's not that I don't want to ride with people. I love riding my buds, but if you constantly wait till schedules align, you just won't get to ride near as much. So that's another goal. Stop right here, punch in and see if I can get it zoomed in. Still moves with me and nabs me. There's some snow and ice. Looks like it is. A lot of apps, if you zoom in, it won't it just stops nabbing you. And this one's, I like it because I'll be able to just control, you know, different speeds. You want your map to be zoomed in or out differently. Looks like you can do that really. So it also got a mile per hour, you know, gauge there that's big enough to see but not too big. And if you look up on the left, it shows, then I'll be taking a left. This is pure ice. It's mixed of slush and mud and ice. I stick around, guys, because the next couple roads I'm turning on are going to be worse than this, I'm sure. Oh, no. We are on tundra now, boy. Yep, we'll be just cruising at this point because I do not want to drop this thing. You start to get old like me, you drop it on that ice, you're probably not riding for 2 weeks. Takes nothing for me to mess up a knee or something now. Bloody entrance right there. I love the interface. Before though, here comes a car. It's oh, this is nasty. So we've got directions and preview route. If I hit there, it doesn't do anything. If I hit there, it just shows me the whole loop. If I go back to here, it shows me where I'm at, but I have to manually zoom back in, it appears. Okay, there's my directions up there. Oh, it changed to 59 minutes, 15 miles, so I guess that is the remainder of the loop. I don't know if it's something to do with the snow or what, but when I started, the loop said it was only 52 minutes, and now it says 58, so I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm going, maybe because it's going slower than what, I'm going slower than what it predicted or something, I'm not sure. Other thing I like to do, can't use my screen with these gloves, but I like to be able to lock the direction. I'll have to play with settings and see if that's possible, but, uh-oh. Yeah, I'm getting ready to run out of the screen here. That's what I did not want to do. What's this do? Okay, I hit that and it takes me back to nav. I like to be able to lock the direction here. You could see I made the route, it crosses back over itself, and I wanted to do that just to see how it was going to handle spots where it crosses back over. And it does leave the colors the same. Some apps will be like, while you're going this direction, it'll be one color, and like if you're not supposed to go that way yet, it'll change the color. This one doesn't appear to do that, but the directions do tell me to turn left, so I'm going to listen to them. Dog. Uh-oh. 2 dogs. I got a feeling this is going to be fun. Love about gravel roads, guys. Not when they're icy, but, you know, you don't want to ride mud. I don't like to ride mud when it's wet, obviously. Dirt when it's wet, because it's just nasty mud. But gravel is really at its best when it's wet. It's more like sand. And you don't want to ride gravel when it's super dry with buddies, because the dust is crazy. It's miserable. But right after a rain or something, or a big snow melt, gravel's amazing. Yeah, we're way back in the holler now, guys. We're riding on a frozen tundra.